Today I fucked up by convincing my deaf girlfriend to tie me up and blindfold me during intercourse. Good communication is important in every relationship, but it's especially important for us because my girlfriend is deaf. About a month ago, me and my girlfriend Sam got intimate for the first time. It was a bit awkward at first, but after a few attempts we got the hang of it. I asked her to have some kinky intercourse before she left back to college in a few weeks and she agreed. 2 days ago it happened. My girlfriend and I were alone in the house and we made sure to lock the door. After a few minutes of greasing her engine, she tied me to the bed and blindfolded me. She has always loved reverse cowgirl, so it didn't surprise me when she started in that position. Unfortunately, her love for that position was our demise. Moments after she started, I could hear a knock on her door. It was her mom. I don't know if it's just a deaf person thing, but she is extremely vocal during intimacy. Not in a criticizing way, but I have talked to her multiple times about her vocal level and she just tells me I'm over-exaggerating. Her mom continued to bang and scream through the door. My squirming hip movements just made her scream even louder. Finally, I was able to unlatch the handcuffs and free my hands. The moment her screaming stopped her, "Mom, stop banging." Immediately she received a text asking, "Are you doing what I think you're doing?" She began typing a novel.